What is inside? Oh, you find something else. You can go inside the shoes. I think it's kind of hard, Leah.
Okay, now you got a really big foot.
Before it's just so big. Now it's like so big.
Now she knows to pull the tongue of the boot up. There we go. There it goes.
Uncle's shoes. Yeah. Oh, Grandpa.
What are you doing?
I need your help.
Let me grab my stinky socks here before they...